What's up guys, Chief Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video. This time we're finally doing something that I've been waiting to do for a while. We were unboxing a pair of sneakers. I didn't win this one. This one's used. It is from Grailed, but I didn't pick up much from Grailed other than this month, so I didn't really feel like doing a whole video on Grailed. So pretty much count this video as my Grailed Steals for the month. But I'm actually really excited for this video. These sneakers are pretty excited. They're pretty hyped up. I feel like they're not the most hyped up version of this collab, but I like the silhouette a lot, so I kind of really want to pick them up, and I got them for a really good deal. I bought them for 180, and you guys will see in just a little bit. They go for a little bit more, like new. Obviously there's used. I couldn't find these used anywhere for any cheaper, so I was pretty happy about that. And I'm just pretty excited for these sneakers because I haven't really unboxed anything in a while, and the last one I did, it didn't really warrant a whole video, but I think these kind of do, and since they're kind of hyped up, I'm kind of excited to see them. So with that being said, let's just right into them. All right, so we're using a view I haven't really used in a while. The box is also really big. It looks like it's fine packaging. I don't know if, obviously Grailed, you're getting other people's stuff, so it's not like coming from Nike or Adidas or anything where they're gonna have like brand new packages. So it's a used package probably, but it doesn't really matter. It's whatever. I don't really care too much about how it is. I just really care what's inside. So I saw these on Grailed. I've been like wanting to buy a pair of sneakers for a really long time since I haven't gotten any sneakers in a while. I've really been looking to kind of just pick something up because I haven't picked up anything up in a while. But really this is my first like really nice pickup in a long time. And I don't know if you guys know, I can't tell by the box, but obviously I know what shoe it is. Let me get this out real quick. All right, so if you guys know, you guys probably know what it is, but obviously this is my first pair of these, so I don't really know what it is by the box. So it's a pretty big size box. Nothing crazy Nike wise. It's got this pull out, so let's just go right into it. So here they are. They are the Nike Sakai's, the Blazers in the blue and white and black navy colorway. Just before I close the box, there's a bunch of extra laces. I don't know how originally they were laced. I kind of like them with this blue, the lighter blue, rather than these navy or whatever black. So here they are, the Nike Sakai Blazers. If you guys don't know what the Sakai Blazers are, or any Sakai things, it's really just they combine kind of two shoes together. So you guys will see there's like two tons here. There's two soles, kind of two Nike swooshes. Basically there's two of everything, two laces, giant heel tab, or just heel. Really sturdy actually. So they just combine like two things. There's these and the LD waffles, and I think that's it for right now. So there's multiple colorways of both the Blazers and the waffles, or the LD waffles. I just prefer this one the best, I think. There's like an all white one, there's all black one, black and gray, or whatever, white and gray. But I think I like the blue more. It stands out. It's just kind of crazy looking shoe, because I still don't know, like I know I like these, I just don't know how I feel about them, just because there's a lot, and I won't really be wearing them too much right now because it's summer and I don't really wear high tops. Plus these are huge. The soles on these are massive. They're like pretty chunky shoes. If you guys obviously didn't know, I'll compare them with other Blazers. They just need to be cleaned up a little bit. But yeah, we just gotta clean them up. Hopefully they're all good. They're obviously from Grailed, so you obviously should still legit check everything. I feel like these are probably legit. These Sakai seem like they're kind of hard to fake, but I don't really know. Like, there's probably some things that they can fake about them, but we'll find out and we'll legit check them. But I'm pretty sure they're legit because the guy sold other sneakers. There's just a lot of stuff down over here where the glue is, which kind of worries me, but also doesn't worry me too much just because there's a ton of like sole on here, so I don't really know how dirty these can get. You guys can see the bottoms aren't really too worn in, a little bit of heel drag on them, but nothing crazy. Plus the heel is massive. So I think they're a good looking sneaker. Obviously I wouldn't pick them up if I didn't, and I got them for 180, and I think buying them brand new was like 300-ish in my size. So like pretty good steal. Plus, I mean, they're good looking. and they're Sakai's. They were one of the more recent collabs I picked up in a while. I haven't really got too many like collab shoes, but here they are. I'm going to show you guys some B-roll of them and show you guys them closer up. So let me show you guys those, and then we'll end it up. So yeah, here's some B-roll. Alright, so there they are, the Nike Sky Blazers in the blue, navy, white colorway. I don't really know if there's an exact name for them. I'm pretty hyped about these. I really like the Blazers. I really only have one pair of Blazers, just the black and white ones that I like wear consistently. I definitely will throw these into rotation. They do need a little bit of cleaning. I did legit check them. They seem pretty legit. Everything that I could tell seemed legit, and if they're not, whatever. I didn't pay a ton of my money, but I think they are legit. Everything that I could see, based on stuff online, they seemed right. So, and plus they came in a decent Nike box, and the person sold other like Yeezys and stuff. So unless they're just selling fakes, which other people probably would have figured out by now, but I think they're really cool looking. I'm really hyped about them. Definitely one of the better sneakers I've picked up this year, since I haven't really picked up too much. I'm still taking L's on everything, which kind of sucks, but this is something I picked up on Grailed. I definitely just wanted to pick up a sneaker, and this worked out that it was like super underpriced, and I think it's still, I mean, it's pretty clean. Obviously it needs a little bit of work, but that's no problem. I mean, everything you buy off Grailed, if it is used, you probably should clean it anyways, just because then it's yours. But I like it a lot. Definitely gonna throw into rotation in the fall once I can wear high tops again, because I don't really like them. Plus these are really chunky, like I said. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I guess tell me your favorite Sakai, or just even tell me your thoughts on these, because I really like them. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.